Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about second part of geometry unit, and that will be unit 6b. So through this unit we will talk about cylinders, finding their surface area, rectangular prisms, some of the um, volume of the cylinder and other prisms, or pretty much will be discussions about 3D shapes and encoding word problems. The main focus today will be on the first lesson, level 1. I can find the surface area of a rectangular prism. And the practice assignment for you guys will be after the video lesson to complete a rectangular prism worksheet. So before MCA we did discuss some of the general formulas. We talk about surface area is always the area of 3D shape, the sum of the areas of its outside surfaces. So we're calling surface area because we're adding all the areas together. And I do have a prism here, and imagine you have to open this box, and when you open the box or unfold the box you will see something like this, and as a net or just construction it will look like this. And we're going to experience and do some hands-on activities and create some of those shapes. So hopefully you will find that interesting and you will discover some new skills that you haven't learned before. So how do we calculate the surface area of rectangular prism? We do have a general formula that it says surface area is equal to the perimeter times the height plus twice the area of the base of the prism. And this will be the general formula. Maybe it's a short formula, but I want you to follow 3 basic steps in this lesson, which will probably be the easiest way for you to calculate the area and picture what exactly we're looking for. So first example, if we need to find the area of this rectangular prism, that we know one side of the prism is 6 inches, another side will be 4 inches, and then height will be 3 inches. What do we need to do in order to calculate that? First thing, we're going to focus on front and back area. Front and back area of this shape. And the front will be this one, and the back will be this one on the back. Okay, so those will be the first 2 area. So how do we find general formula area of rectangular shape? So the general formula for that, if you guys remember your formula sheet and some of the discussions that we had, we said will be base times the height of this area. So the area will be equal to, the base here is 6 inches times height is given to be 3 inches. So if we know that this is 3 inches, then you know that all of those are also 3 inches, right? So 6 times 3, and this will be equal to 18 inches total. Now that will be one area, front, which is 18 inches. Then we will calculate top and bottom area, which will be another area of rectangular. So the top is this one and the bottom is this one. And again, if we know that this is 6 inches, the height in this shape will be 4 inches, base times the height. So again, we are focusing only on the bottom. For example, this is 6 times the height for this particular shape will be times 4. 6 times 4 is 24 inches. In the last one, we want to check side and side. Okay, so the side and side will be this one over here and this one over here. Those are the sides. So side and side area, we have another rectangular shape, B times H, And for this, the base will be 4 times the height will be 3. 4 times 3 is 12 inches. So now, since we know all those three areas, we have to add them. So total, or what also total area, or what we call surface area of this rectangular prism will be equal to. Now, because we calculated the area of one rectangular shape, we want to multiply times 2 because we have front and back. So twice the first area, 18 inches, plus twice the second area of top and the bottom, again we have 2, which is 24, plus twice third one side and side, 12. This all will give us the final answer. So 2 times 18 will be 36, plus 2 times 24 is 48, plus 2 times 12 is 24. So when we add all those together, we will get the total surface area. And I'm gonna use the calculator quickly just to make sure all the calculations are well done, and we have the final answer. Okay, so 108 inches square will be the area of this surface area prism. Alright, so we're gonna follow all those steps again to calculate next one. Next one will have a different dimensions, but we're going to use the same exact steps. So look at this prism. We have given that this side of the shape is 15 meters, this one is 2 meters, and this one is 5 meters. So front and back area will be equal to, so front will be this one over here, and back will be this one on the back, right? So the area front and back has 15 meters, b times h, which is 15 meters, times h will be 5 meters. Second area, and 15 times 5 will give us 75 meters square here. Then the next one will be top and bottom area. So top will be this, and the bottom will be this. So, and to calculate one of those two, the area formula is b times h, which will be 15 times, now because we're focusing only on this area, my height in this case will be this 2 times 2, which is 30 meters square. Okay, and the final one will be side and side. So we will have this side here and this one side over here. So side and side will be b times h, the base is 2 meters, times height will be 5. 2 times 5 will give us 10 meters square. So the surface area total will be equal to twice the first one, 75, plus twice the second area, 30 meters, plus twice the third area, 10. So total, we will get 2 times 75 is 150, plus 2 times 30 is 60, plus 2 times 10 is 20. 150 plus 60 is 210, plus 20, we get 230 meters square. Final answer for this prism. So the whole practice today will be focus on different prisms, and you're gonna follow the steps in order to complete your worksheet. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you later in the class. Make sure if you have any questions, write them down, pause the video, and help each other. Thank you. Bye.